Hi everyone. So fourth instalment of the KOV Smooth Criminal range, and today I am looking at Smooth Criminal Jigsaw, which is a strawberry smoothie. If the other three are anything to go by, we're in for a treat. Let's see. Today, change the device on the drag. Wow. Fresh blended strawberries. Keeping the smoothie element there. You can still tell it's a smoothie and not a fruit drink or a can of drink. That is unbelievable. As always with KOV, blended to perfection, quality concentrate, the flavor is intense. That's incredible. That is awesome. I don't do this with many juices. You will have seen me do it a couple of times. I literally challenge anyone to find me a better strawberry flavored vape than that. That is hands down the best strawberry vape I've ever vaped. No other flavors, pure strawberry. If you love strawberries, you're going to be addicted to this. And if strawberries you don't mind, this will get you addicted to strawberries. That is incredible. By far, for me, the best one at the four so far. I can't do anything other than give it a 10. I would score it higher if I could. That is serious Nick Salt right there. That, in fact, I've never hidden the fact that two out of the whole range that I can never put down is Crown Jewels and Pink Princess. This possibly is the third. I can see this feat every single month without fail. I get Crown Jewels and Pink Princess in my monthly salt box. I can see this is joining it. So guys, seriously need to message Wilson or King of Vape page and get your hands on these. I stand by anyone to find me a better strawberry flavored juice than that. That is just incredible, absolutely incredible. Back tomorrow, the last one in the range, Chucky Raspberry Vanilla Smoothie. I'm looking forward to that one as well. But the fourth one, Strawberry Smoothie Jigsaw, hands down, so far, best in the range for me. And like I say, find me a better one. I don't think you will. Until tomorrow, guys, stay safe.